most important meal of the day, or is it? Let's get into it. So with all the tips from influencers, celebrities, doctors, nutritionists on social media, sometimes it can get really confusing really fast. Should you eat breakfast? Should you skip breakfast? Should you go for intermittent fasting? What helps to lose weight, to maintain a healthy weight? So we're gonna break that down today together. I wanna go over what I would typically eat for breakfast and break down each nutrient so you can know exactly what you should eat to fuel your body. If there's one macronutrient you should always have in your meals, it's protein. But carbs and healthy fats are also part of a healthy diet. So how can you know if you have enough of these macronutrients in your meals? You can actually use food tracking apps. Many of these on your app store, and most of them are free. Next thing you should absolutely have in your kitchen is a food scale. This is a total game changer. I know that it can be very annoying to weigh and to write down everything that you eat, or even plan your meals ahead of time. But the more you do it, the more it'll become a habit. And the more you become accountable of what you're eating. So let's dive right in. Today on the menu, a Greek yogurt parfait. So I actually follow a meal plan and I have a set amount of protein, carbs, and fat that I consume in each meal. So I've been doing this for 2 years now and it's actually a game changer. That being said, you don't need to do this. The important thing is to know exactly what you're eating, what macronutrients are in your meals. So my breakfast actually contains 400 calories with 35 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, and 16 of fat. So first on the list, Greek yogurt. You could actually find this at Costco, Kirkland, or anywhere, any supermarket. So I buy 0% Greek plain yogurt, which is very high in protein. So the reason why I use plain 0% Greek yogurt is because I want to avoid any added sugars. So I don't buy flavored yogurt like vanilla, strawberry, or whatsoever. I really just go for the 0% Greek yogurt. I'm actually measuring what I'm eating because these are my requirements. That being said, you don't need to follow this exactly, but I'm just showing you what I would do typically for my breakfast. So now I'm going to add in some protein powder. So I actually buy this from Amazon, but I know you could find this at the supermarket as well. So as I mentioned before, I don't buy flavored Greek yogurt. Instead, I add flavored protein powder. This way I don't have extra unneeded carbs and I have more protein and flavor with a protein powder. So next I add in chia and flax seeds. These are actually excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and they're great for your digestive health. Flax seeds are also high in fiber, which can help with bowel movements. I'm going to mix all these ingredients together before I add in the rest. So next I'm going to add some almond butter, which is nutrient rich and amazingly good. You can also find this at Costco. It's Kirkland brand. It's very, very good. It's a calorie dense food, which helps you feel fuller longer. So now it's time to add some color with some fruits. So bananas are my go-to fruit. They're high in potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B, and many other nutrients. So be mindful of how much you're eating in a day. I wouldn't go for the whole banana. Try to measure how much you want because it's a good source of fiber, but it also contains a lot of sugar. So blueberries are often referred to as a superfood for a good reason. They're actually an amazing source of antioxidants as well. So then I just sprinkle the whole thing with some cinnamon just because I love the taste of cinnamon. So there you have it, a full breakfast packed with healthy micro and macronutrients. Trust me, this will help you feel fuller longer throughout the day. So there you have it. I know breakfast is not for everybody, but this is how I typically like to start my day. So if you're anything like me and you love starting your day with breakfast, this is a fast and easy way to jumpstart your day by having enough macronutrients to keep you fuller longer. So thanks for watching this video. If ever you want to know what I eat for lunch, comment down below to let me know.